Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to use AI tools to help you generate awesome video ideas, especially useful if you're stuck or want fresh content inspiration. First, open your browser and go to ChatGPT or any AI chatbot tool you prefer. Start by typing something like, "Give me 10 video ideas about your topic." For example, give me 10 video ideas about fitness for beginners. The AI will quickly generate a list of creative video ideas you can use. If you want more specific suggestions, try asking for ideas with a particular style, like give me 5 funny video ideas about fitness, or top trending video topics for tech in 2025. You can also ask the AI to help brainstorm video titles, scripts, or even social media captions. Another tip is to combine AI suggestions with your own creativity. Take one idea and add your unique twist. If you want to keep all your ideas organized, try using a note-taking app or spreadsheet. And that's a quick, easy way to get fresh video ideas anytime with AI.